In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to import your email subscribers from Mailchimp to Aweber. First things first, you should have your account opened up in Mailchimp, and here you'll have to come to audiences under campaigns, and you'll have to choose an audience from which you want to export your list to Aweber. So in this case, when I come over here to audiences, I select my audience, then I select the audience itself, and I'll be brought to this table over here that has all the contacts for my subscribers. Next thing I have to do, I simply have to say export. I'll get this option over here to export as a CSV. When I click over here, I'll be able to download a .zip file on my computer. Once the file is downloaded, then simply come over here to your account in Aweber. To get an Aweber account, you can start for free, I think for the first month, and you can get started. So once you sign up with Aweber and you're already logged into your account, simply just come over here to subscribers, manage subscribers, and under manage subscribers, simply come over here to add subscribers. And here they say you can manually add up to 10 subscribers. If there are more than 10, you can import them. So simply click over here, import, because our subscribers are over 10. And here we can import, or we can drop a file of this extension .xls, .xlx, .tsv, .csv, .txt, and up to 20k rows or 50 MBs in size. In this case, we have a CSV. So we are simply going to import this file, come to our desktop, and we are going to basically get our file over here. And then once we get to this section, then you can say choose how you want to process this import. Only add new or add and update an existing one. I want to add new. And then here we have to do a very important step whereby we have to map our inputs or email addresses. Here we will map the email address to an email. And since we never collected names on our old list, then we are unable to map the name field over here. So what we are going to do is simply scroll down over here, say confirm opt-in, and then here you are asked to decide if you want new subscribers to confirm their subscription to this list. I say no, they do not need to confirm because we're basically migrating to a new autoresponder. Next here I will say turn on more options for this import. I'll add a tag, and then I'll say import from Mailchimp. You can rename this tag to any other tag that you want. So I'll simply say next, and down here they ask me how did these subscribers join your list. I'll say signed up on my website, and I'll enter my website domain. And down here they say let us know if you are importing these subscribers from another email subscriber. I'll say yes, and they are coming from Mailchimp. Then I'll simply say submit my import, and here I'll have to wait for a few hours until when my list will be added into my Aweber account. Once the list is added, you'll actually receive an email, and when you come back over here to manage subscribers, under subscribers, you'll actually see the whole list of subscribers that you have imported right here. You see, now I already have my list already added to this account in here. The reason why we don't have the name field or the names allocated to the emails over here is because we never collected them. And if you have the names collected in an old email list, then you simply have to map the name field to the name field and the email to the email field. In a nutshell, that's how you can import your subscribers from Mailchimp to Aweber. Thank you so much for watching. In case you have any comments, questions, please let me know down in the comment box below. And in case you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you like this video, please give it a like. Have a good time and goodbye.